To send money from Japan to the UK. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, determine the amount you want to send and the currency you will be using. Japan uses the Japanese yen and the UK uses the British pound. So you will need to exchange your yen for pounds. Next, choose a method for sending the money. You can use a bank transfer, a money transfer service, or an online transfer platform. Each method has its own fees and exchange rates. So compare these before making a decision. If you choose to use a bank transfer, you will need to provide the recipient's bank details, including their account number, sort code, and bank name. You will also need to provide your own bank details. If you choose to use a money transfer service, such as Western Union or MoneyGram, you can send the money online or in person at a physical location. You will need to provide the recipient's name and address, as well as your own identification. If you choose to use an online transfer platform, such as TransferWise or PayPal, you can send the money online. You will need to create an account and provide the recipient's email address or bank details. Once you have chosen a method, initiate the transfer. This will involve entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. You will also need to pay any fees and exchange rates. After initiating the transfer, wait for the money to be processed and received by the recipient. This can take several days, depending on the method you choose. To avoid any issues, make sure you have the correct recipient details and that you are using a reputable transfer service. Also, be aware of any taxes or fees that may apply to the transfer. Finally, track the transfer to ensure it is completed successfully. You can do this by using the tracking number provided by the transfer service or by contacting the recipient to confirm they have received the money. By following these steps, you can send money from Japan to the UK safely and efficiently. Remember to compare fees and exchange rates before making a decision, and always use a reputable transfer service to avoid any issues.